Hi, I'll be showing you how to take apart your Bezzera, the casing, so that you'll be naked and you can see what's inside. Now, the first step before you take apart any coffee machine or actually any electrical items is you need to unplug it first so that you won't get zapped and turn into Zeus. So the second step is to actually take off the tray. The tray is not screwed in. This is a tray for you to place your cups to act as a cup warmer. So take off your tray as such. And then there you notice that there's 6 screws here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 screws there, and the screw looks similar to an Allen key shaped screw, which is find an Allen key remover and remove it. And then the top panel comes out. So you just remove the top panel as such. Careful, it may be sharp or hot. You just remove it as such. And then the top is open. Next is the side panels. The side panel is one entire piece. There is 4 screws holding this giant side panel in place, which is 2 here and 2 here as well. So you like to remove the screw. You like to use a flat head or a minus sign screw head. Okay, there's 4 screws. 2 here, 2 here, so you like to remove the bottom screw first. The top screw, you do not want to remove it completely. So once you remove everything and you're ready, you want to manually remove it, hold the body. Same here, hold the body. And once you remove the 2 screws, the top will slide down as such. So be careful about that. See, it slides down. And next is, you can hold here. There's a grip here. And there is 2 clips here. So you need to hold here and push the 2 clips out so you can move the frame or the casing out of the way. So it looks something like this. Oh, this is heavy. Yeah, so you notice that it comes out as such. Now this is how the Bezzera looks like, completely naked. Yes. So we can notice that this is the biggest component. This is actually the boiler, which is made of copper. This is the boiler pressure controller. So this controls the boiler. All these pipes is mainly made of copper. This is the group head. So the water flows from here to the group head. There is a solenoid somewhere here. This one is a solenoid that controls the hot water dispenser. A solenoid is it's a switch, turns on and off. This is the solenoid for the water in. So water in from the pipe to the boiler is controlled here. So it's very easy to take it off. And all electronic components is here. So this is the electrical section of the coffee machine. Electricity flows in from here and goes through this device. You can see that this one, there's a lot of wires coming in, and well, there's only like 3 wires going out. So this is actually, I'm using this as a converter to convert 3-phase to single phase or single phase to 3-phase. I'm not going to teach you how to do this because this is quite dangerous, so only get a certified technician or engineer to do this. What this does is it allows your wiring to be either single phase or 3-phase, and this machine works on both, either single phase or 3-phase. So once electricity passes through this device, it comes here, it goes to this box, and there's another box here. These 2 boxes is actually the high-powered switch, so it turns on and off the coffee machine. So once it goes through this and this, it splits into 2. One is splits into the boiler, And this is the boiler connection. You can see it's all shielded because the boiler uses quite high power. And the next wire goes to the board. Some people call it the motherboard, but I call it the board. So this board controls most of the electrical things in your coffee machine, includes all the solenoid, group heads, buttons, and LCD, if you have any LCDs and whatnots and all that. So the interesting part is the electricity is separate to two, so which is the board and the boiler, so it's kind of separated. So that means that your boiler can burn and your board can still work, or your board can burn and your boiler can still work, so because it's kind of separated. The next thing is this whole thing is encased in solid steel conductive metal that is grounded, and there's a metal part here that shields the electronic components from the heat as well as from water. This is steam remover. This is a special feature for the Bezzera, which I have not seen on any other coffee machine. Everyone should have it. So basically what this does is this guy actually remove steam from the water, hot water dispenser. This is quite interesting. And this is all the miscellaneous wires. You don't see much of it because it's quite well organized. And this is the top view of the Bezzera, in how it looks like inside.
Goodbye, and please subscribe. I hate making coffee. Goodbye, and please subscribe. Goodbye, and please subscribe.
Sekarang recording.